What is up, y'all? It's your boy Easy back with another video, man. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today, I just want to come on here and update you guys on what's going on with the feds and them potentially cutting rates in September, right? This could be very huge for crypto and the stock market, right? So, if you guys don't know, rate cuts could bring a lot of liquidity into this market. What do I mean by that? When the feds decide to cut rates, right, this essentially makes borrowing money cheaper. So all of this money that these people, it could be a retail investor, institutions, whoever it may be, they're going to borrow all of this money at a cheaper interest rate and move this into riskier assets to potentially see higher returns, right? Um, how can this impact stocks, right? So your tech stocks, your growth stocks usually benefit from this because investors like to move their money from these bonds or cash if they have some on the side, right? Because bonds and cash is obviously safer than having your money in riskier assets. But since we're in a risk on asset environment, they're going to move their money from these bonds or spare cash and put them into these riskier assets, such as your stocks or your crypto. So watch for short-term volatility in the near future as we try to figure out if Jerome Powell is going to cut rates in September or even further down the line this year. So just be on the lookout for that. Now, the impact on crypto. Crypto is a risk on asset, so you could see a increase in demand in the near future as investors start to price in the potential um, rate cut in the near future, right? So things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP could all see a increase in price very soon as people start to pour this liquidity into the market. So be cautious because crypto is highly volatile. So you could see the price go up very fast, but you also could see people take profits and you could see the price go down very fast. So be careful. Stay informed at all times. Um, Timing in this market and having a strategy is the number one thing that could save you from losing a lot of money, right? Um, like I said in my previous video, a lot of retail investors or just new investors in general, they're already late to this market, right? They're already late to this current cycle in the crypto cycle. Um, so be cautious. Understand that the risk to reward is not the same compared to someone who has been investing in the crypto cycle earlier on, maybe a year or two before we have, right? Before you have. So just be cautious. Understand that yes, you can make money, but focus on protecting your capital at all times, right? Risk management is key. Make sure you're diversified and do not chase any type of hype, any type of FOMO. Just find a few good coins that you can find that you like, that you have been informed about, and inform yourself. Stay up to date with those coins as much as possible, and everything will work out in your favor. Trust me. So for the next 3 to 6 months, this is a key time, right? This is very crucial time. We're getting into a very volatile environment very soon with the rate cuts potentially being cut. So stay informed, stay up to date, keep your eye on the feds. Do as much research as possible. Prepare yourself for the upcoming volatility. Position yourself relatively soon so that you're not late. Be very strategic in everything you do and intentional, right? Do everything with information on a scheduled plan. Don't just be out here investing based off of emotion and how you feel. So if you're going to invest, if you're going to position yourself, if you're going to take a trade, Make sure you have your entry prices. Make sure you have your exit prices. Be disciplined. Do not FOMO. And I promise you, you can make money, right? You can make money in this space. Don't let anybody, any of these other influencers trick you to thinking that you cannot make money, because you can. No matter if you just entered or if you entered a year ago, 2 years ago, you can make money. Trust me. So be informed, stay patient, and you guys will be perfectly fine. But if you like this video, if you like the information that I'm giving you, if you want more updates like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe because it helps me out a lot. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so if you can, just please tap in with me, hit the subscribe button. With that being said, man, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope you guys continue to stay blessed. I hope you guys chase your dreams each and every day. God has something planned for you that is great. That being said, I love you guys. Stay motivated, stay positive, keep pushing. You're one opportunity away from achieving everything you could have ever imagined. It's your boy Easy. I hope you guys have a great one. Peace.